A complaint that I often hear about the Google Display Network is that it can be expensive. And this can be true if you don't keep an eye on your metrics. In this video, I will teach you the 4 account settings to keep track of to make sure your GDN spend stays under control. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. So let's dive right in. Number 1, automated targeting. When Google launched the new interface, they started automatically enrolling GDN campaigns in automated targeting. It is being reported by many that this is causing a spike in the click traffic, even on the conservative setting. It is designed to help with remarketing and targeting the audience that have shown an interest in your brand. But it is worth reviewing what sites are being shown and to what audience to make sure that this is relevant for you. Number 2, location targeting. The default setting for location targeting in the GDN includes both physical locations and locations of interest, but it is possible to limit targeting to just one of these options. By reviewing the data, you can determine where the majority of leads or sales come from and limit location targeting to just that area. For example, let's say you run an attraction in Birmingham and you want to target holidaymakers. You could choose to target the ads to people who live and work in Birmingham and those who have shown an interest in traveling there. If you review your ads data, shows that the majority of people buy tickets once they arrive in the city and not in advance, then it would be sensible to limit your targeting to just people in my location. Whilst you may want to keep this setting broad for other search network campaigns, within the GDN, it is advisable to stay specific, or you may find yourself getting a huge amount of clicks but less conversions. Device targeting. If you have had great results from mobile apps and devices, then it is understandable that you would include these in your GDN campaign, but it is worth keeping an eye on your conversion rate from these sources, as some businesses find that they get a lower performance there. Display ads on mobile devices can also be subject to a higher rate of accidental clicks, so by purposely excluding mobile apps or devices, you can save yourself some money. Number 4, content and site category exclusions. This is a must. As soon as you create your GDN campaigns, go to site category exclusions and make sure to exclude any sites or categories of sites that you don't want your ads to appear on. This will help you to reduce your ad spend. All of the ad settings within the Google Display Network are important, but the 4 above are especially crucial for monitoring ad spend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.